Hi friends, welcome to today's video. So today in this video we will see about UDS. Before understanding about UDS, we need to understand about diagnostics. Diagnostics is a way of detecting and identifying the problems. For identifying the problems, we have a standard that is the UDS. UDS is a diagnostic communication protocol used in ECUs, which is specified in ISO 14229. Diagnostic protocols, sometimes called ping pong, as they are mainly based on request and response. It is also derived from ISO 14230 and ISO 15765. Unified means used in all ECUs made by OEMs and suppliers. To verify and communicate with the ECU, we have a diagnostic tool. This is how the diagnostic tool looks like. These are the different kind of diagnostic tools. Here is a video of diagnostic tool, how it looks like. So for the communication, there are two sides. One is client, the other one is server. So client means a diagnostic tool or PC, or we can say canalizer. Server is the ECU in the car. Client side, I'm sending a request. Whatever the request I'm sending, ECU will respond back with positive response and negative response. So for the positive response, it will add plus 40. For negative response, it will send 7F with the NRC code, like 7F for 13. UDS format is like this. First thing is service ID followed by the subfunction. Positive response plus 40 will be added. For negative response, 7F followed by service ID and NRC code. So 7F 10 13. UDS format is like this. Service ID followed by subfunction. Positive response plus 40 will be added. For negative response, 7F followed by service ID and NRC code. 10 service has three basic sessions: default, programming, and extended. So on startup, it will be in default session. Programming is used for upload software, means downloading software. So if you want to do some additional functionalities, you need to use extend session. Example, reading a VIN number, which means vehicle identification number. In this case, you need to use extended. And also we have other subfunctions also. It depends on OEMs and suppliers which one to use. But basic ones are default, extended, and programming. Now go down and download this file. So this is a PDF. It contains basic info on the UDS. Go down to the page. So here, if you see, the laptop is a client which acts as the diagnostic tool. So ECU in a car act as a server. There are three possibilities of communication. The first is getting a positive response. Second is getting negative response, and third is response suppressed, but functionality which has to be done, which will be done. But only response will not be sent to do some other useful activity. So if we send 1003, ECU will activate extended session and add plus 40, and it will send 5003. For negative response, it will send 7F 10 12. Next is erroneous communication. If bit 7 of the subfunction is set to 1, then ECU will not send response, but functionality will be activated. So in this case, we get positive response. This is wrong. So these are the list of NRCs. Let's see about NRC 11. Service not supported NRC. Let's say I'm sending 1001. So if service 10 not confident in the software, so ECU will respond with 7F10 followed by NRC 11. Let's see about NRC 12. Subfunction not supported. So let's say I'm sending 1005. If subfunction 05 not confident software, then the ECU will respond with 7F10 followed by NRC 12. So which means subfunction not supported. Next common one is NRC 13, incorrect message length and invalid format. So let's say I'm sending 1001 followed by some bytes 34. we are giving incorrect length. So EC will respond with 7F10 followed by NRC13. We have many combination of NRCs. You can go through the list here. Come down a little. So here we can see about the session handling. Let's say if we power on the ECU, ECU will be in default session. If I send 1002 or 1003, ECU will jump into programming or extended. Apart from default session 01, that is, others are called non-default session. From non-default session, if we give 1001, it will come to default. Or if S3 timeout happens, it will come to default. This is how the sessions are handled.